Oh, this camp base, it's start work on the engine day. And it's, the engine's here at my brother's house. And I'm going to take it over to a builder. We'll see how it goes. Got literally everything on it here. Flywheel's all shot up, in my opinion. Really not too bad for a 50-year-old, about a 50-year-old engine, non-numbers matching. This is the way I'm going to give it to the builder. So, with what it's got on, it's what he gets it with. I'm going to want all the parts he doesn't use back. Anything that's not going to be used, I'm going to want it. Save it for the next guy that maybe buys the car. If he decides he wants to put it back to some normal condition, he can. Alrighty, that's it. Camp base out. Alright, this is camp base with an update for you and just information gathering for me on my GTX. Tippy, stop it. You saw a squirrel. Just put a valve cover on with a gasket. Use some aircraft sealant on it. Should do all right. Trying to seal up all the openings on it so that dust can't get inside the engine. And just putting it back together. A harmonic balancer, getting a new one, it's on its way. Valves, all new, been replaced. Jimmy! Dang, ruining my video. And got the flywheel sitting right here. It's been machined. Painting some parts. Painted some of the engine mounting components. Painted the cross member. It don't look too bad. And just getting a bunch of parts together. Here's my my next valve cover. And that looks pretty good. So I'm going to put that on today. Notice that I had an issue with thinking this was a non-matching number engine, because down here on the side, right in here, these numbers don't match. And got to looking, and I see some numbers right here on the front. And these numbers do match. I believe they do, 279. I'm pretty sure that's just a match. And of course, there's always something to hold it up. I'll get back to you guys. All right, it's actually the next day after the interruptions. You know, it's nearly impossible to do a video and not be interrupted. You're in Southern California. Let me flip it around here. Hopefully, I won't be interrupted this time, but never know. I do a lot of videos for Camp Base and other videos, and to tell you the truth, yeah, I almost get interrupted in every single one of them, and this one probably won't be any different. Okay, let's talk about matching numbers for this engine. When I bought it, the guy, I don't recall he ever said it was matching numbers. And taking it away, and once I got under it and took a look at it, I started looking at the numbers and found the block number here, which is 5445, which is not matching with the vehicle number. Now, since we've done this work on it, I got to looking at some other numbers on it, and here you have 9279, and here I have 9279, and that's actually on the block. And then again up here on the manifold, I have a 9279. So to me, I think it's matching. The one thing that's weird about that is over here, if this is a block date, it says 7.5 here. So it's hard to tell. So that's where we're at. I'm putting all the parts together on this engine today and over the next couple of days. Can't base it out.